This is my this is Michael Bain. This is my 1603 milestone video for for application deployment 2 for Android. Um, this week it started out good, but I got stuck in a part of my application I couldn't get to function properly. Basically, uh, I was supposed to get my applications pushing data to Firebase, which is the DB that I'm using for my app. I was able to get it to push, to push data to the app, but the big problem that I had that I wasted a lot of time on, and I still haven't got it to work properly, was my basically here's I guess I'll show my app first. What I have, I'm signed in. Uh, this is a list that was pushed to Firebase. These are the parties that the user has created. Uh, this is the date when, it's the time, that's the name of the party. I'm just using arbitrary names right now, but um, basically, I only want to show the name of the party inside of this list view. I haven't been able to achieve that yet because I spent most of my time on this section. When the user wants to add a party, you can make a name. Say you're gonna call it Super Bowl party. When I click here, I have a fragment that opens. I commented it out, so because it's not working out because it wasn't functioning properly. But this is my date fragment, dialog fragment, and I had it to where I had an on-click listener. The edit text when the user clicks on the date, uh, a date dialog with a date picker would pop up, and the same thing I had here with a time picker fragment. And when the user clicked on the time, a dialog would pop up. The problem was when I would click on the date and hit, select my date, hit OK, and it was dismissed, it would refresh the fragment that the text views are in. So it would disappear because I'm using two different fragments here, and this is the fragment that the list view, the edit text, um, the edit text is in, which what you're seeing here. So when I click on it, the date or the time fragment would open up, and that data would have to be passed back to the new party fragment that contains the edit text. But every time I did it, it kept disappearing. I tried using intents, tried saving it to share preferences, but I ended up having to comment it out because I wasn't getting anywhere. But that's what I spent the bulk of my time on this week, uh, and that's why I'm in the situation I'm in now. I mean, the data does. I am pushing it to Firebase, but I'm using string, so you would have to at this point, manually put in a date. So 25, 2016, time 5:45 p.m. You know that it pushes. Yeah, I've been messing around with it, so it has some errors going on. But you can see it pushed, and it's now being displayed in the text view. And if you check Firebase, so here's there we go. You can see what I just added was Super Bowl 5:45. So essentially, I didn't. Also, what I didn't get to was the part where the user can add items, because that's what basically the app is. It's a party app, and you can add items and see what each guest is bringing to the party. So you don't have to worry about any duplicates, or make sure you have a good variety of food, drinks at the party. So because of the date and the time fragment, basically, the user can only create a party at this point. He can't. Uh, the user can't add any items. But this is Mike Bain. This is my 1602 milestone video. Thanks for watching.